Learning English the modern way. Imagine, you're scrolling through Instagram or YouTube, and you come across an influencer speaking flawless English. Their confidence, natural expressions, and engaging content make you wonder, could I ever speak like that? This is the story of Ruhi, a young professional who struggled with her English skills. She realized that her smartphone wasn't just a device for entertainment but also a powerful tool for learning. By using social media platforms creatively, Ruhi transformed her English skills from basic to fluent. Let's follow her journey and uncover the strategies that made all the difference. The beginning of the journey. Ruhi's struggles with English became evident at her new job. During meetings, she often hesitated, unsure of the right words or expressions. Watching her colleagues communicate effortlessly in English made her feel left out. One evening, while scrolling through Instagram, she stumbled upon a reel by an English-speaking influencer. The video was about common phrases used in daily conversations, explained in a fun and simple way. Inspired, Ruhi thought, why not use social media to learn English? Step 1. Following English-speaking influencers. Ruhi started by following influencers and content creators who shared educational and entertaining content in English. From language coaches to travel vloggers, she diversified her feed. Some of her favorite types of content included daily phrase videos, short clips explaining idioms and slang, like break the ice or hit the nail on the head. Q&A sessions, where influencers answered followers' questions about English grammar and pronunciation. Interactive challenges, fun quizzes or exercises, like filling in the blanks or guessing the meaning of a word. Soon, her social media feeds became a treasure trove of English learning opportunities. Tip 1. Curate your feed. To follow Ruhi's example, curate your social media feed. Search for hashtags like #LearnEnglish, #EnglishTips, or #idioms of the day. Follow influencers who create content that matches your learning style. Engaging with content. Ruhi realized that just watching videos wasn't enough. She needed to engage actively. Every time she watched a video, she wrote down new phrases and their meanings in a notebook. Practiced saying the phrases aloud. Used them in her daily conversations. For example, when she learned the phrase, spill the beans, she tried using it with a friend by saying, don't spill the beans about my surprise party. The more she practiced, the more confident she became. Tip 2. Interact with content. When you come across a new word or phrase on social media, write it down. Repeat it out loud to practice pronunciation. Try using it in your own sentences or conversations. Using YouTube for immersion. Ruhi turned to YouTube for in-depth learning. She subscribed to channels that focused on grammar lessons explained in simple terms, accent and pronunciation tips, storytelling and casual conversations to learn natural expressions. One channel she loved featured storytelling videos where the narrator used idioms and slang. By watching these, Ruhi not only improved her vocabulary but also learned how to sound more natural when speaking English. Tip 3. Subscribe to educational channels. Search for YouTube channels that focus on English learning. Look for playlists on topics like common mistakes in English, everyday phrases, accent improvement, Twitter and real-time practice. Ruhi also discovered the power of Twitter. She followed English language accounts, such as news outlets, motivational speakers, and writers. The short, bite-sized tweets were perfect for learning new vocabulary words, sentence structure, current slang and informal expressions. Ruhi began tweeting in English herself. At first, her tweets were simple, like, "I'm excited about the weekend." Over time, she started writing longer tweets and engaging in conversations with others. This real-time practice boosted her confidence. Tip 4. Tweet and engage. Start tweeting in English. Use simple sentences at first, and don't worry about making mistakes. Reply to others' tweets to practice forming responses. Instagram challenges and live sessions. One day, Ruhi joined an Instagram challenge called Speak English for 30 days. Each day, participants received a prompt, such as, "Introduce yourself in English. Share your favorite hobby. Describe your day in 3 sentences." Ruhi posted videos of herself completing these challenges. At first, she felt nervous, but the supportive comments from the community encouraged her to keep going. She also joined live sessions hosted by English teachers, where she practiced speaking and asked questions. Tip 5. Participate in challenges. Look for English learning challenges on Instagram or other platforms. They provide structure and a sense of community, making learning fun and interactive. Embracing mistakes and growth. Ruhi's journey wasn't perfect. There were times she used phrases incorrectly or mispronounced words. But instead of feeling discouraged, she treated every mistake as a learning opportunity. She started keeping a journal of her errors, along with the correct usage. For example, when she confused bring and take, she wrote down example sentences to remember the difference. Bring your book here. Take your bag to the car. With each correction, Ruhi grew more confident. Tip 6. Learn from mistakes. Don't fear making mistakes, they're a natural part of learning. Keep track of errors and revisit them to reinforce correct usage. Reflecting on progress. Months later, Ruhi noticed a transformation. She could now hold conversations without pausing to think. Watching videos in English felt effortless, and she even started helping her friends improve their skills. Social media, once just a source of entertainment, had become her personal language tutor. By using it wisely, Ruhi not only learned English but also gained the confidence to use it in her daily life. Ruhi's story shows that social media isn't just for fun, it's a powerful tool for learning. By following educational influencers, engaging with content, and practicing daily, you too can transform your English skills. Start small. Follow one influencer, watch one video, or join one challenge. With consistent effort and a positive mindset, you'll see progress. Remember, the key to learning is to make it fun and interactive, just like Ruhi did. Keep scrolling, keep learning, and most importantly, keep speaking English. Your journey to fluency starts today.